Omaha has a lot of arts programs and not a lot of science programs, so it was a very unique thing that was happening, so people were testing it out.
What started as an informal science discussion at a local bar 5 years ago.
I don't know, it's grown and it's getting even bigger than we could have imagined it would be 5 years on.
Has grown beyond what Kacie Gerard expected.
I was also told that I should show pictures of brain. So I really hope that's okay with all of you.
You're not coming for a student lecture, it's more interesting. You can come with your friends, you can have some drinks, you can have some pizza, you can whisper, you can get up, you don't have to sit there. It's not a real formal event, and I think that's what makes them unique and super popular. And it's only an hour of your time too. You're coming to learn something, but it's not so stale and boring. It's really interactive and fun.
I think it opens people up. I've noticed people ask a lot, way more questions than I ever thought. I think the first few, people were kind of nervous, but now we have to end because we usually have to, call last question just because there's so many hands in the air.
The cafe has covered an array of topics, from asteroids to water to brain surgery to the history of sex.
All of those draws just get them into the meat of what's going on, which is, learning, like adult learning. I really like that focus. And it's just a great way to spend an evening with friends. That's a little bit different than other things you do around town.
I like it when they have an open format, when the presenter kind of speaks for a bit and then they kind of turn back to the audience and do the Q&A and things afterwards. And the presenters that leave you with something to talk about afterwards.
It's just a very good learning experience. Everything from crime scenes to the latest in technology. The sex lectures were a blast. It's just a golden opportunity.
With a packed house the first Tuesday of every month in Omaha, the cafe is expected to be around until it runs out of topics, which, according to Kacie, won't be anytime soon.
We have a lot of really cool things happening in all of the science communities, so it's never really a drought for a topic.
For it to be going for 5 years, it's so strong. It's increasing every single time, and people who come down for the cafe, it's pretty amazing.